Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the popular JSON notation or JavaScript object notation, which is a text-based format for data interchange. It's both human and computer readable. We will work with the library or module called JSON that's built into the Python standard library. The format of a JSON object is very similar to that of a dictionary in Python. Let's see example. We will use a key value pair to represent a customer record. So this will be our one record, customer. This is the key and this is the value, the customer ID, and name of customer and its value. And then we have order, amount, and order will be the key, and the order total will be the value. JSON also supports array like Python list or common separate values in a square brackets. For example, this over here, 100, 200, 500 is an acceptable JSON array of numbers. Values in JSON objects and array can be of strings, numbers, Boolean values, null to represent no value, arrays, and other JSON objects. We will be using Python standard library module JSON. The JSON module enables us to convert objects to JSON, which stand for JavaScript Object Notation text format. This is known as serializing the data. Let's consider the dictionary, which contains one key value pair consisting of the key customer with its associate value being a list of dictionary representing two customers. Each customer dictionary contains three key value pairs for the customer, number, name, and order. So our customer dictionary will look like this. Customers dictionary. Customers, and so this is our key customers and its value will be a list of dictionaries. This will be over here, a list of dictionaries. And here is the first account. Which is a dictionary. Customer. And over here, customer ID. And now we have a key name and its value. John. and the order total. And then we have another customer record. Customer. And customer ID, and then we have name of a customer as a key and its value. Robert. And the order amount, the order total, 350. And now we are going to serialize an object to JSON. We are going to import JSON first, so I'm going to add this statement over here at the top of our code. Import JSON. And now we are going to open a file, customers.json for writing. With open customers.json and with W mode for writing as customers. And we are going to use json.dump to write the content of our customers dictionary. Customers dictionary. And pass in customers. First, over here, we open the file customers.json, and then we use the JSON's module dump function to serialize the dictionary, customers dictionary, into the file. Let's run our code. And after running our code, we can see the content of file on a Linux system using a cat command, and the file name our is customers.json. And here is the data written to that file. Now we will see how to deserialize the JSON text. The JSON module's load function reads the entire JSON content of its file object argument and converts the JSON into a Python object. This is known as deserializing the data. Let's reconstruct the original Python object from our JSON text. So we are going to open our file accounts over here, customer accounts, and this will be with open our customers.json. And now we are going to read in a read mode, open a file in a read mode by using R as customers. And now we are going to use the load function to get our customers JSON object, customers JSON, by using JSON dot load and passing in customers. We can print this by using print function, customers dot JSON. We'll just save and run our script. And here we get by reading the data. And now we can see how to access the individual customer dictionaries. First, we are going to get the first customer dictionary. We can use our customers JSON and customers and the index. First is at 0, and we are going to pass this to our print function. Save it and run. And here is our first customer dictionary. I will just clear the terminal. And now we can also get the second customer dictionary. I will just copy the statement over here and change the index to 1. This should give us a second customer's dictionary. And here is our second customer's dictionary. Now we will see how to display the JSON text. The JSON module's dump function. Dump is short for dump string. Returns a Python string representation of an object in JSON format. Using dumps with load, we can read the JSON from the file and display it in a nicely indented format, sometimes called pretty printing the JSON. When the dumps function call include the indent keyword argument, the string contains new line characters and indentation for pretty printing. Let's see how to read and print the JSON text in a pretty printing format. Over here, I will just pass into print. Here we are now here we are using to read our data from customer.json file. I will just go ahead and copy this snippet and paste it at the bottom of our code. And modify this line. Over here, I'm going to pass this to a print function and use JSON dumps. First, I'm going to use JSON dot dumps. Here we need to pass in the indentation. I will set to 4. Indent And now we can pass this to our print function so that data get printed nicely. And after we run our code, we can see the JSON data over here printed nicely. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.